Hello everyone. Uh, I just want to show out something because the other time I was on YouTube trying to find a software or a way how I can be able to capture my screen and all that I'm doing on my screen, but I wasn't able to do it. I followed some videos. They tried some applications and which several people were also complaining that it crashes. Once you click start, it will crash. Even mine as well was also crashing as well. I tried and tried and I couldn't. But today, eventually after that, I went on and I kept on working hard and eventually I was able to see something. It's just wonderful. I was able to find something that I could use and capture my screen and capture everything, not just the screen. Once I put the recording of the application on, I'll be able to capture everything that I'm doing on my laptop. Every one of it, capture it as a video, play it back, use it for whatever I want to use it for. It's so good and good enough. It's also free. Anybody can use it, and it doesn't have virus in it. You don't have to be afraid of anything. So now let me show you everyone how you can record, how you can capture your screen, how you can capture even the video you were watching. You were playing a movie, you want to capture it, or whatever you are doing on your screen, how to capture it. So let's just start at once. Even streaming, you can use it and do streaming. You can use it to capture gameplay. You are playing game, you want to capture it. It's so useful, and I think when I found it I was so happy, and I've said I am going to share it with other people. I know some other people were also they were also looking for such applications. So let's get going. I'm going to show you how to get it, where it is located, how to install it, how to set it up, and everything start working perfectly, just like the one I'm using. I've been using it now and I'm so happy I've been using it. So let's get on with it. Okay, what you just need excuse me, what you just need is just to go to any browser you are using, any browser at all, maybe Opera Mini, Chrome, Vivaldi, any browser at all, just any browser you want to use. So let's open Google Chrome. Okay, just come to this place, type okay, it's already here. Type OBS, hit enter. That's it. Look at this, the excuse me, the website OBS. Okay, Open Broadcaster Software Index. You just click it. Okay, look at the software. Is I think this is a nice website. I've installed the software and my system still has been working perfectly. It's not like maybe the one you could install and you start having virus issues. No, my system has been still works perfectly even after installing it. I think the site is well organized. It's not like a site that could install virus into your system. So look at it. It has two types. Get OBS Classic. I think this one is the one that has been created to support older systems. It's a Vista supported with Service Pack 2. This is talking about Windows Vista. I think this particular application, this particular one, is meant mostly for is classic type for older systems. Then when you come to this, we say get OBS Studio, released March 21st, 2016, just recently released. This one is formerly known as OBS multi-platform. That is, this one has more features in it. Now this is for Windows, this is for Apple systems, this is Linux, Now we are going to download this. This is for Windows. Let's just be quick about it. Click it, just wait. The download will start immediately. Okay, look at the download is already running here. You just have to wait a little. Once the download is completed, I will show how to install it, how to set it up, and you are going to be on your way to capture gameplay, capture movies, whatever is going on in your laptop, whatever you are clicking, you capture it, your mouse, everything, and you can have it and do whatever you want to do with it. It's as easy as that. Just very simple to use. Let's just wait for the download to be completed. You can use it for streaming, Twitch, YouTube streaming, even streaming services, and it's filled with a lot of functions. So I think it's a good application, and good thing. You don't need to install application of this, application of that, several, just one thing, and you are done. OBS broadcaster, open broadcaster software. So it's about 28 megabytes. It's just remaining just a little for it to be completed. Okay, here we go. The download is completed. If I don't want to open it here, for example, if I want to click it here, I could click here, but let me show you how everything is done. You come to your downloads, open it. I've already downloaded it. This is the third time I'm downloading it now. Look at it here. Today is 23. Yeah, this is the one I just downloaded. Today is 23, and this is 6:41 p.m. So what will you do? Double click on it to install it. Yeah, click yes, minimize this, then go say next, agree, install. Okay, wait, let me cancel this. I think I need to, let me install it somewhere else. Inside I partitioned my hard disk. Okay, yeah, so I have partitions of my hard disk here. Now I'm going to install it in one of these. My hard disk, I've partitioned it into 3. This is where my operating system is, so I'm going to install it in any of these, E or F. Okay, so let me look for E or F. Okay, look at it, E or F. So I'm going to choose this. Okay, and say okay. That is where it will install the software. Then I will say install. Because I think the other time it was because it's noticed there's already that particular software installed there. That is why it was complaining, because my own, look at mine here, is already working and is in my C drive. Run OBS, click finish. It will open the application. Now look at it. As simple as that. This is OBS, open broadcaster. Okay, open broadcaster software. Okay, now look at it. Now what do you want to do here? This is how it used to open. Now when it opens like this, you can't start recording. Look at it, start recording, start streaming, audio, studio mode, settings. Now when it opens like this, because already the one I'm recording is here, I named my own scene OBS. Look at this scenes. So what you do is, because I am using it, if you are installing it for the first time, it will come with a scene. It will write scene here. Just right click, say remove, say yes, remove. Now the next thing you're going to do is to add a scene. There's nothing here anymore. Now you need to add a scene before you start recording. Just add a particular scene. Scene 1, you can call it YouTube. You can call it YouTube, okay? And say okay. Now because you have chosen a new scene, that is why everywhere has turned black. So what do you want to do? What is the source? You are going to give the application instruction. What do you want it to cover? You tell it the source. What does in the source of what it's capturing is. You click plus here. Now you say Windows capture, game capture. If you are playing a game and you want to capture it, then video capture device and all of that. But because we are capturing the display of this computer, we say display capture. You say yes. Do you want to capture the cursor? That is how it's moving. You say it's already checked. You say okay. Now what is the next? You can go to settings. Like some people who could have, maybe you have some knowledge of how to go about this, but I'm using my own in the default way. Excuse me. You only need to check the MP recording format. Just check it. If your own is in this, you have to turn it to MP4 so that you can use it anywhere. Then output, this is the canvas and all that. Then streaming, in case if you want to use it for streaming type, streaming service, you can use custom streaming service also, service Twitch and all that. So but we are not doing streaming, so we are not going to even enter any stream key or anything. So that is how settings. I've not set anything here. I'm just using the default setting, though I try setting some things, but I realize it's better I use it as excuse me, as default as it is. Now if you had set something here, you need to click apply and okay, but because I didn't set anything, I'm going to say cancel. What's the next? You click start recording, not start streaming. But if it was streaming that you have set inside, you should say start streaming, but because this is for recording, you say start recording. So once you hit this button, the next thing is that you can capture anything that is happening on your screen. Whatever you are doing, you open a movie, you are watching that movie, is capturing it. You are going round about inside your lap computer, is capturing every single thing. Now once you click here, start recording, that's it. It's already recording. Look at it here. 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds, as simple as this. That is it. So thank you all for watching. For all of you, all the people who have been looking for a good application that you can use to capture your screen, to do screencast and capture everything that you are doing and make a video of it. This is it, OBS. I found it online. I found it from somebody who explained it on YouTube, and I think it's very nice, and I said I'll have to share it with others and let them also be able to capture it. I've been using it, I've been enjoying it. It's so wonderful. Thank you for watching, and please also support me by subscribing. I'm just starting with YouTube. I've not done much videos, so please help me and subscribe. I hope to do more videos. I hope to do more useful videos. In fact, I have so many useful videos I'm planning to do, and so that we can also be, supporting each other. You subscribe to me, and I will also subscribe to you people, and so that we can make our lives good. Share. We can keep sharing important videos, so that our everyday life and activities, we can be able to, master them and do them as we plan to do them, and we are going to all will be succeeding and making real good progress with our daily work. So please, thank you for watching once more, and please subscribe to me. Thank you.